Hey guys, thought I'd just give you a quick update. Got a little bit of a mashup video of some bass fishing that Jesse and I have been doing over the past couple of weeks. The salt's been really slow. We've had a few early morning missions chasing snapper and nothing's come of it. So I pretty much just bailed on that idea. I hope you enjoy this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe because they'll mean a hell of a lot to me. I do have a few things lined up further down south once I get into northern New South Wales. So hopefully I can do some salt episodes then. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and please check it out.
Day 2 in the hunt for a 1/2 metre bass. Except today, because it's school holidays, we got the little man, who's also got a kayak now. He's just gonna put some stickers on. Little dragon stickers.
Yeah.
So we'll get these kayaks off in the water and then we're into it.
Do you know how I spotted that? Oh, nice bass.
Good job, bro.
Oh, fucking nice bass, bro.
Yeah, I gotcha. I gotcha.
PB bass by a long shot. Oh, big bass. Big bass, bro.
Just bring him over my way. Oh,
Big
what's your rod,
bass,
Nick?
bro.
What's your rod? Oh, he's a pig. Yeah.
Ooh, not PB, bro, already.
On the vibe, bro.
Fucking smashed it.
I reckon he's mid to late 40s, bro.
That's
Is that your first bass on a vibe?
on a vibe, yeah.
Congratulations, bro.
It's a fish trap. Everything. Everything, bro.
That's so dope.
Chill out, bro. Let me get a
it's so
photo
much
of you.
better.
Nice bass on the fish trap.
First bass of the morning too.
Yeah, bro, and he pumped it. Nice one. Where you going? Ready? Ready to go?
Yee-hee! First bass of the morning.
Yeah,
PB
man.
bass.
Yeah,
Winter.
PB bass. Winter, middle of winter.
Sick. It is
then.
actually too.
Yeah, the boys was just saying, no, middle of winter don't mean shit. I
Yeah.
was like, yeah, righto. Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna hit this for a minute. Oh,
Yes, Toddy.
that feels really weird, bro. Oh. It's got like a little bit of weight. It's odd. It's like really odd. I got 10 pound. I just don't want to give him any. Look at my rod, bro.
Come on. My bass did that shit, though.
No, he's got some weight. Oh. Oh.
There's,
Here's leader.
man, these are probably a school of 40 plus bass riding here, eh?
I think this might be a toga, bro.
Even a,
Oh. Oh my God, it's gross.
what?
It is an eel.
Oh, no.
It's a snake. Oh,
Oh,
that's...
did you get one of those fucking...
Is it? It's not a lungfish.
Well, you were right, bro.
It was weird as head shakes, bro. It's just... Oh, I've got to deal with it though.
Get it in the net, bro.
Oh, I don't want it near me.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, it's not what I wanted.
You love
Oh,
I don't know. Is it a pike?
no, it's not a pike, bro. It is clearly an eel. The snake is gross. Oh, oh, no. Oh, oh. Lad, I need a hand.
Oh, I'm
Can you deal with this so I can deal with this thing? Dude, he's solid.
sorry, mate.
No, it's not your fault, bro. I'm kirking it.
I didn't want to get too close to you.
No, that's alright. Oh, I was so sure that was a toga as well. There is a lot going on here.
Oh. Did you see that?
Oh, it's wrapped around him. This leader's done, lad.
No,
Hold
you're
up.
right, bro.
Nah. Look at it. It's wrapped around his neck, lad.
That's all good, bro.
Hold up. Hold up. I'm going to let the bail arm off. Oh, there's just so much going on right now. Just stay there, all right?
No wonder you thought he was a toga, bro.
Oh, everything's slimy.
Bro, everything's big too.
Yeah, bro.
It's a big, nice eel. You gonna do a hold up?
Oh. Just hold that,
Yeah,
the
mate.
end of that.
I've got you. Well, it's all happening all of a sudden, bro. We can't come out here and say we done a donut. It's just not there. Good fish.
Good fish. Good fish. Is he electrified?
Lad!
Oh, imagine that.
That sink. Yep. He, oh, dropped. Nah, dropped him. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I hope so. Four casts, 4 hits, 1 hookup. Can't complain. He's staying down, eh? Oh, oh. Oh, I'm around something, eh? Oh, he's got me around something.
Oh, he might be an alright one.
That's... Oh!
Oh, was that line dragging?
Yeah, he's got me on something. I might lose him.
See if you can go around the other.
No, he's still down. He's up. He's out.
Was that just over here, was it, bud?
Yeah.
Hopefully they're not.
Oh no. What could you possibly have me around out here? Far out, man. Dropped him. Well, at least we got my lure back. I can take that. Have a castle, man. You might get another fish, bro. We found them. Or you just want to have a lie down and play your game. We'll be back there soon, buddy. Oh!
What the fuck?
Yeah.
That was next cast, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's 5 casts, bro. That's 5. Oh! No, got him. Leo, have a cast, mate. There's fishy. There's fishy, buddy. Oh! Can you hear that?
Back to that snake.
What's there, man?
He's going back for that.
He's in it.
Is he? He's in it.
He's in it. He's dead set in it. That's 2. What's there? I'm gonna fucking just pull him up. Oh. I can see him.
No, I can't see him. Oh, there he is.
Oh, there he is.
Nice. It's alright. Drop the last one. Definitely gotta go skip some frogs around on those lilies though. Oh, that cast a treat. Those vibes cast a mile.
Yeah, bro.
Like the vibelicious and the fish trap. Damn near look the same. Oh, yep.
Yeah, Johnny.
That's a good one. He come up and had a second hit at that.
Yeah, bro. If they miss it, they go again.
Yeah.
Straight on the vibelicious.
Yeah, first cast on it. Oh, oh, oh. He's half decent.
Oh, geez.
Yeah.
Right, Mark?
Yeah, I'm all good. I got the net.
Hopefully you found the school, Johnny.
Yeah, cast, come over here, bro.
We're gonna have a look at it.
Oh, he's only small, but that's all right.
Hard, mate.
Yeah, that's right. He's probably, oh, he's 20 odd. That's all right. On the board. That little bit of water out there. Tiny little Brisbane bass. That's him there. He's just like a little, I don't know, early 20s, mid 20s model. Nonetheless.
See, I'll be happy with this if we can start racking up the score.
Yeah, 100%. Getting Leo into lure fishing. He's got his little kayak now, he's got a little Rodney. So stoked. Alrighty, let's try some vibing. Oh, he's on! Oh my god, he's on! Leo's caught his first ever bass. Oh. Good job, man. Face me with him, show me. Oh, good job, mate. Oh, so stoked for you, mate.
Man, I'm so happy.
Yeah, good on you. When you're ready, mate, just chuck him in the water and you're all good. Get another one. Good job, buddy. That's it.
Oh, high five, my man. You're up. You're winning.
That's it.